Hyundai as a group has been talking about progress for humanity as their larger change, and it's been really amazing to see how they've taken that narrative forward and really decided to putting all this into action. So we're very fortunate to have this partnership with Hyundai India and Go Sports Foundation.
I welcome you all to the athlete onboarding ceremony of the Samarth Para Sports program by Hyundai Motor India Foundation and Go Sports Foundation.
Samarth, which means capable in Hindi, embodies our vision of creating more aware and an inclusive society for people with disabilities.
Friends, at Hyundai Motor India, we remain steadfast in our commitment to India's progress and believe in creating equal opportunities for everyone. Samarth Para Sports Program by Hyundai Motor India Foundation in partnership with Go Sports Foundation is a result of this commitment. The program aims to celebrate the spirit of inclusivity by identifying, supporting and nurturing India's next generation of para-athletes.
Your journey is truly amazing and will provide hope and inspiration to millions.
We're extremely proud to have actually always had para sports as part of our programs right from 2009.
Vision is really giving this as a platform and an opportunity for people with disability to explore, to excel, and really get to the best of their potential.
We are going to be focusing on athletes who are at an emerging level, and the goal is 2028 LA or 2032 Paralympics. So these are some of our targets.
In LA 2028, there'll be some of our athletes who we've chosen to be at the Paralympics. How this project really changes the narrative of parasport in India and also really paves the way for people with disability across the country to know that they can take up sport.